Hello everyone, welcome to ATA YouTube channel. This is Arusha here, and today in this video we will be discussing about the important books as well as strategy and plan for preparing your ICR JRF horticulture, SRF and your ASRB NET examinations. So many of you were asking me about the important books which we should follow, and ma'am, how to study and what strategies should be there to crack these important examinations. So today in this video, this is an answer for all of your questions. Now before starting the video and telling you about the strategies, I want to tell you all that if you are in your second or third year, firstly decide that what are you going to do after your graduation. Like if you want to go in the government sector and prepare, so start preparing for the government examinations from this year only. But if you are planning to go for higher studies and pursuing MSc or PhD, then this is a very good opportunity for all of you to get into good renowned colleges through ICR JRF and SRF. There are many benefits of giving these examinations. Like you get a chance of go out of your state and get good exposure and get into a renowned institution through this exam. Then secondly, you get a good financial aid also, because JRF provides you scholarship of more than 12,000 and SRF provides you scholarship of more than 35,000 or 30,000. So this provides you with financial aid and you have no pressure from your parents, so you can easily pursue your further studies. Thirdly, this exam even gives you a good recognition. People start expecting more from you. So this is a very good opportunity to get into good colleges through these examinations. Now let's come back to the strategies and the books which you should follow. Now for JRF horticulture, first start with this basic book, that is Basic Horticulture by Jitendra Singh. Very good book. It will clear your most of the doubts related to horticulture, and if you are in your third year or second year, you should start going through this book. It contains all the important definitions, all the important terms, your morphology of the plants, training, pruning, biofertilizers, plant growth regulators, and your harvesting, maturity, harvesting and handling of horticulture produce, physiological disorders, disease, insect pest. So everything is covered in this book. So start with this Basic Horticulture by Jitendra Singh. Then also Handbook of Horticulture. Handbook of Horticulture is a Bible for horticulture students. It contains 2 volumes, volume 1 and volume 2, and it covers almost everything that is being covered in horticulture. So a very, very important book. And in latest pattern, we have observed that in your JRF as well as SRF, many questions are being covered from Handbook of Horticulture. Assertion, reasoning, and statement wise questions all are being given from Handbook of Horticulture. So you should study this book thoroughly. You have to revise it again and again. Then for general agriculture, this is a competitive book of agriculture by Memraj Sunda. Again a very important book, and this is a must book for all the agriculture as well as the horticulture students, because questions are being asked from general agriculture also. So again a very important book. Then we have different portions, different subjects in horticulture. Like for olericulture or vegetable science, we have Vegetables by D. Singh, Handbook of Horticulture, a must. Then Objective Olericulture by K. Madhusudhan Reddy. This is an objective book, and this is a very good book for practicing important questions. And these are the important books for vegetable science. And then Essence of Horticulture and Gloucester's Instant are a must again for all the subjects. This is Essence of Horticulture, but now a new edition have also been released. So I would suggest that go and buy that new edition, because it contains more information. It contains more pages than this book. So we are expecting that it contains additional information. So you should go through that book thoroughly. Essence of Horticulture is a very, very good book. Even I preferred it during my JRF preparation, and a lot of questions are being covered from this book. Then for your fruit science, we have Fruits by Ranjit Singh, a good book. And then we have Pomology by Reddy Reconner. Again a very important book for all those who are preparing for this JRF exam. And this is Treasure of Fruit Science. It contains objective questions and related to fruit science. It covers almost each and every fruit. It contains the previous JRF, SRF, NET, IRI, PhD entrance examinations, SRF examination SRF papers. All the previous year memory based papers are being covered in this book, and it contains 10 model papers. Match the following, fill in the blanks. So a very important book, and a very good high quality questions are being covered in this Treasure of Fruit Science, a must book, I would say. So this was for fruit science, and for fruit science again, handbook, essence, Gloucester's Instant, a must. Coming to floriculture, for floriculture I would prefer only two books. Floriculture at a Glance by Deshraj. This will cover almost everything in floriculture, and it contains objective questions also. And then we have this Objective Floriculture and Landscaping, again by the same author Deshraj. It contains a lot of MCQs, more than 1000 MCQs, and match the following, fill-ups. So everything is being covered, and at the end glossary is given, important terms have been mentioned in this book. So these two books are enough, sufficient for preparing your floriculture part. But if you want to go further, you can of course follow Essence, Instant, and Handbook, a must book. I'm repeating again and again, Handbook is for everything, because a lot of questions are being mentioned from this book. Then covering to medicinal portion, a very few questions are being asked from medicinal, so you don't need to go for a lot of books in that. Essence is sufficient, Essence and Instant are sufficient. Then your plantation crops, Handbook is enough, and you can also study Essence, Gloucester's and Instant. And then for your post-harvest management, we have this book, Glimpses of Post-Harvest Technology. You can refer to this book, and Handbook is a must. Essence, Gloucester's, Instant, sufficient for covering your post-harvest management. So these were all the books that you must follow for your preparing your ICAR JRF Horticulture. Apart from this, there are objective books, like I already mentioned, Treasure of Fruit Science, Objective Olericulture by K. Madhusudhan Reddy. Then this MCQs in Horticulture by Bharat Singh Hada. It contains all the previous year papers and a lot of mock tests. So very good book. 14 mock tests have been mentioned, and starting from 1997 till 2019, all the memory based questions are being mentioned in this book. So these were the books for preparing your ICAR JRF Horticulture. And strategy is simple, keep revising things, because horticulture is all about learning. So you have to revise and discuss with your friends, maintain a good friend circle where you motivate each other and you ask questions from each other. This will help you in memorizing the things in a fun way. Take it lightly, don't stress about things. I know it's difficult for learning all the varieties, but with revision and consistency and discipline, you will definitely succeed. So believe in yourself. Now coming to SRF. SRF contains three parts. Part A, which contains questions related to general agriculture and general knowledge. For general knowledge, you can refer the current affairs newspaper, and for general agriculture, a competitive book of agriculture by Neem Ratsunda. That's enough. Part B is horticulture portion. For horticulture portion, all the books that you have covered in your JRF preparation, that is sufficient. Part B contains very simple questions related to horticulture. So if you have prepared well for your JRF exam, then it is expected that you can solve most of the questions in part B. Then contains part C. Now part C is the specialized subject, like if you have done your MSc in vegetable science, so questions related to vegetable science will be coming. Now that contains production technology and breeding portion. For production technology, all the books that you have referred in your JRF journey, that are sufficient. Vegetable by D. Singh, Thamburaj, all those books, and Handbook of Horticulture, again a must book. And for breeding portion, this breeding, genetics and breeding of vegetable crops by K.V. Peter, and vegetable science and technology in India by Vishnu Swaroop. This is for SRF. And this vegetable science by Hazra and Som, this is also very important. And the new Essence, this is an old edition of Essence which I am having right now, but a new edition have also come, so you must follow that new edition of Essence because it contains additional information. And also start reading research papers during your MSc for SRF preparation, because all the research data and the latest information are being asked in the examinations. For fruit science, in part C, we have a comprehensive fruit science by Prabhakar Singh, Vikas Ramteki, basic concepts of fruit science by Neeraj Pratap Singh, Reddy Reknoyer for pomology, treasure of fruit science, and glimpses of fruit science. These are sufficient for covering your part C in fruit science. So these were all the books that are required for preparing your JRF as well as SRF exams. And this exam NET. For NET exam, if you are doing in vegetable science, all the books which I have mentioned that are sufficient, because the questions that are being asked in all these examinations are almost same, and these books contain all the information regarding that. So I think this is sufficient for that. And so start preparing if you are in your second or third year for JRF, and start revising things again and again, and I think you will definitely excel. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, you are free to ask them in the comment section below, and please like, share and comment on our videos. This gives us more confidence, and this gives us motivation that we should start posting more information related to horticulture and agriculture further. So thank you so much, and all the very best. Thank you.